Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a simple yet aesthetic junk journal page, and this is perfect for those who love a touch of imperfection. So I'll start off by tearing blue paper, roughly rip the edges for that raw textured look. The first piece is pasted on the top left corner and the second goes to the bottom right. Next I'm adding checks with the white gouache color. Next, I tear brown paper, ensuring all four sides have that uneven charm. This piece goes in the central to create a layered effect. It's not that central, but yeah, kind of. Now, I randomly place stripes of washi tape around the page. There's no need for perfection. This is about embarrassing creativity and flow. So, place the tape the way you want. To add a natural touch, I'm placing a dried leaf. It brings a unique texture and connects all elements beautifully. Now I'm adding yellow gouache color around that brown paper which we have just placed. Finally, I use a black marker pen to write the quote, and the quote is I'm a mess of unfinished thoughts. This adds a personal, introspective vibe to the journal. Now I'm adding more white lines in these checks with the help of white jelly roll pen, and the nib is zero point 0.5, I guess. Now I'm adding few stars which is not required, and here is the final result. A junk journal page that's messy, raw, and full of character. Give it a try and let your creativity run wild.